Hello everyone, my name is Camille. I'm the owner of Morpho Soaps. Thank you very much for joining me with another soap making video this week. In today's video, it's going to be the making of Earl Grey soap. This is a successful soap. We had it done a few months back and it was really successful. Upon request, we have a remake of this soap again this year. And the name came from the smell. The scent has like the fragrance oil has a hint of cardamom, and that's why we came up with the name Earl Grey soap. It looks really nice, artisan. So I'm gonna show you the bar. As you can see, this is a soap using a drop swirl with a hanger swirl with three colors. We have the white, pink, and the blue. And then the piping on top, I used a golden color piping, and then I sprayed some gold mica in between to kind of make like some gold lines. I don't know if it's showing. You're gonna enjoy watching this video. It's really nice, it's really artistic. I really enjoyed making this soap. If you're not subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing. If you like the video, you can like or even comment with any opinion, any question you have. We're more than happy to be in touch. If you have any questions to us, you can reach us also by email. Check the description box, we have our information there. Thank you very much again for all the support you're showing. I'm really happy to have you here with me today. And without any further ado, let's go watch the making of the soap. Thank you. The first step I'm making here is mixing the colors. So I'm using some mica, mixing them with olive oil. Then with the third cup, I left it without a color because I'll be using a white portion. As I mentioned, it's gonna be white, blue, and pink. And then I added the fragrance oil portion to the oil, using the spoon to not spill the fragrance oil. So the next step will be mixing the lye into the water, creating the lye water solution, which is really hot. I will be using this one to melt the hard oils using the heat transfer method. That means the hot temperature from the lye solution will melt the butters that are at room temperature. They're usually solid. And then once all this is melted, I'll be adding to them the soft oil portion, which is the olive oil and castor oil, but I usually add to that portion colloidal oatmeal, kaolin clay, and coconut milk. And I mix them well, and I mix all together to create the batter. Now I'm gonna be splitting off the batter into three portions. One will be the blue, the other one will be pink, and then the third one will be the white portion using titanium dioxide with water. And adding the fragrances, I'm gonna be mixing all of them, and then I'll start pouring the soap. As I mentioned, it's gonna be a drop swirl technique, so I'll be dropping the colors one by one, and then I'll run hanger tool swirl inside the soap to create some of the swirls inside. The next portion will be preparing the piping using the gold mica. I will be using the heat transfer method as well. The same idea, doing melting the butters, adding the soft oils, adding all together, stick blending until I get a thick consistency, and then wait on it for the right consistency, and then I'll start piping, and I'll be using some mica lines in between the piping. And that's about it. Here I'm finishing the top with some gold mica as well, and the soap turned really beautiful. I waited 24 hours and then it was ready to be cut, and then you can see the result of each bar, and it's so interesting how each bar will be looking different than the other one. Now I'll leave you watch the end of it. Thank you very much for joining me today again. Until next week, please stay safe, enjoy your time, do something that you like, keep smiling, keep positive, and see you soon. Have a good week. Bye now.